Yes, I'm going to tell a man about this country called Grand Canary. And I'm going to say, I wish for that. You understand me? And I'm going to tell him about Jamaica. And he say, yeah man, we have Jamaica. From the hands to the pig, to the fowl, to the rat, to the goat. Everybody hear about Jamaica. And watch you know, there's some other like Jamaica. You understand me? Look on all of these places. All of them places are hotel, you know. You understand me? All of these places are hotel. As far as your eye can see, it's just hotel dominate the landscape. You understand me? Let me bring it up and show you what's up. Let me show you. That's hotel dominate the landscape. As far as your eyes can see, down in the harbour. No, we don't have nothing down at Jamaica like hotel. You understand me? And resort. We have 1-2 building in Montego Bay. We have a couple in a Watcherius and we have a couple of them. We have one natural and look. All of them there now. Make we say this was Montego Bay. Alright, so I would have say them the 3 there, there was 6 there, the 9 there, the 12 there, the 1 dozen. They cover all the hotel there Montego Bay. Alright, watch out now. Make we say Trelawny have about 3 down there. You see them the 3 there? Then cover all what they are Trelawny. Alright, watch again now. Make me say them 4 there, they are St. Anne's Bay. Then cover all of them that they are St. Anne's Bay. Resort this, you know. Alright, watch this now. Make we say them one that they are Miami Bay. That cover all over their Miami Bay. Right, that's up. Alright, make we say this they are Watcherius. So from there so can way back there so cover all of their Watcherius. I show you. We show you Sun Sea, Sun Castle, Hidden Museum, Bushwood Place, Sanders, Duns River, Rio, and all of them places. See, cover all of that. So just this little hotel resort in just this little tiny corner a Grand Canary cover all our hotel there in a Jamaica, and this is just a little tiny corner. So right now we need one whole heap more investment down there. You know the Chinese them are coming, them are invest, yes, and happy and appreciate. But we need more than the Chinese them too. We need whole heap of investment. You understand me? See that? One time I show you, man. So right now I wish Jamaica take all a little page out of them people book. The amount of money we have coming to Jamaica right now, so to speak. We don't have none of them have seat, but when the leader them now work for people them, it's different. So me just basically I show you hotels. So we need some of them there at Jamaica. People, for not living in our house down there for Tony in a what you call it, guest house. On a turn in a bed and breakfast. I beg on a please. Start make some extra cash. Start bringing some extra currency in our country, man. No phone no lock up on the house and go abroad. Give bank a house if you go and run and rent. Give the airline the house you go and run and rent. That's when visitor come, then can come in there. You understand me? See that? Again, hotel there more than people. You understand me? Why may I tell you, boy? See there? All boat over a place. Alright, look. Alright, look at now. Them a hotel, you know. Gone right a ridge and a mountain, you know. Let me show you a ridge and mountain. Let me show you over gully then, since as you know what I talk about. Yeah, my house step on over gully. Let me show you nothing in the over gully. See it? Look here. I'm going to look on this. Look on this. Look on this. Alright, let me show you a different way now. Let me draw something different. Look. See it? And look, me show you over gully where house there now. See it? A steep bank in this me upon, you know. A steep bank in this me upon, you know. And look, you see it? Steep bank in this me upon. See? Man build retaining wall, gone down there so. Then house there so. Hotel there so. Gone down there so again. So right now me just showing you say one whole heap of investment can come in our country and we know they joke with the business. At the same time, it's a mall this them bill. Yeah so. Alright, this is a hotel up the road. This is a mall that's them build. And a mall this them build. Me just a show you. Just cross the road me walk. And just a show you say. This is just a little tiny mall comparing to a massive one down on the road. And all of this there on the hillside. Alright, see that? I'm a little ride this one I use and a tramp through Babylon. Look up the road because I don't want to carry knock and look down the road. See it, I'm going to ride this. And this I use and trampose Babylon City. Hold on, the other side. Right, I use a trampose Babylon. So, I want to build up on yourself and set up on yourself, right? Because I explore the world, you know. Nothing wrong with that. You don't tell me if anything wrong with that, but I got to explore the world. And I call just one life I have to live right, you know. I just have to try to live it in the best possible way and enjoy myself as I go along, you know. And because tomorrow I promise to nobody, you know. Because I guess and tell me what happened. You have all that place and you willy and get somebody and are beneficial. Then you can't wait for you dead to come take you know. So you better try enjoy every penny you have. You understand me? And enjoy it, man. So set up hotels, set up places, update in our country.